Hey y'all, welcome back to Simple Man's Barbecue. I'm Jason. Today I'm doing my first collaboration, which I'm really excited about. Jimmy from OSO BBQ. I asked him if he wanted to do a collaboration with me. He said, sure, why not? And we're going to do something called the junkyard dog burger. Junkyard dog burger. He said he received an email. I forgot who he said he received it from, but he received an email about a challenge to do the junkyard burger. And this was originally done by Ballistic BBQ. Yes, Ballistic BBQ, which I'll put a link to my to his channel in my description below. Excuse me, y'all. But let's go ahead and get started on this. So this is gonna be between me and Jimmy. So let's get this started, baby. I'm gonna make my junkyard sauce first. So what I got here is I got a little bit of mayonnaise in here. I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup in here as well. This is our junkyard sauce. Come on now, get in there. There we go. Got some good old yellow mustard. And then this, y'all, Valentina's. This is where it's at, folks. But be careful because this is hot as hell. Oh yeah, it's gonna have some spice to it. Just give that a good mix. Now I do believe that I believe his name is Greg. Don't quote me on that. Greg from Ballistic BBQ. I do believe he put pickled jalapenos in his sauce, but unfortunately I forgot to grab the pickled jalapenos. So this is what we're going with. Okay, folks, this is our junkyard sauce. We're going to use that to dress our burger with. And right now, folks, black stoners out there, I want you to eat your hearts out right now. Okay? Bow, baby! Bow! Yeah, you see it. Large, skillet, or griddle, whatever you want to call it. Kids, stay in school, work hard. One day, you can have one of these too, baby. Alright, so let's get this lit up. I'm excited about using this. I've never used this before. I just purchased this off Amazon. Come on now. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this burner on low. I'm going to put this burner on high so I have two different cooking zones. Alright folks, so what we're going to do is I'm going to saute up some onions, green peppers, and red peppers. Now, if I remember right, he didn't actually add green peppers or red peppers. I'm just adding those in for extra color and extra flavor. I'm going to put my olive oil down. Then, put my onions and peppers on. Get out of there now. Folks, I'm excited about using this, man. I've been waiting for a few days to get to this, man.
You said it's drilling, griddling.
It's my Blackstone, damn it.
The simple way.
The simple man's Blackstone. All right, folks. I got two chopped up ballpark hot dogs that I'm going to add to this. So let's go ahead and add that in. Delicious ballpark French, baby.
That's nice food.
Come on, baby.
That's nice food.
Yeah. Look, you want to say hi?
Daddy making a junkyard dog burger, baby. You want a junkyard dog burger?
No.
No. And of course, y'all know I gotta add the dos pendejos. Add some extra flavor. Of course, this is going on the burgers too. All right, folks. Now we're gonna add the burgers now. I just got patties balled up in the meatballs, and then, of course, we got the press. Press this bad boy down. Supposed to hold it there for like what, 10, 15 seconds? Now, I've never done smash burgers before, folks. This is my first time. Okay, now I'm gonna season the burgers with the Los Pendejos. Just let that go for a couple minutes on one side, then give it a good sear, and flip it over on the other side and let it sear the other side. Alright folks, as you can see, this bird looks quite handicapped, we'll say, but we're going to eat it anyways. So I'm going to give this, if I can here, try to give it a little bit. Yeah, a little bit of sear right there, that's alright. There we go, there's a nice one on there.
Maybe.
Alright folks, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper. Because my wife is whining for some salt and pepper in her life, so there you go. Alright folks, now I'm going to put some sliced cheese on there. Yes, this is your good old American sliced cheese. Because what kind of burger you can have without cheese on it? Now I'm just going to let that melt. Then once that gets good and melted, I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Alright folks, now I'm going to take my sesame seed bun and let them toast up on this hamburger grease a little bit. And then once that's done, get nice and toasted, then we'll go ahead and dress up this burger. Alright folks, so we're going to go ahead and make up our burger. So I'm going to grab some of our junk sauce. Put it on each half of the bun. Take one hamburger patty. Take our pepper and dog mix. Let's put a little bit more on there, huh? It's a junkyard burger, baby. Yes. Then we're going to go with the double patty. Oh yeah, folks, I forgot to tell you. I have bought some pre-cooked bacon, and let me tell you why. Because for some reason, I cannot get bacon crispy as I want it. No matter how hard I try, it always falls short. So I got the pre-cooked bacon, and I'm gonna throw this. I'm gonna throw this on the griddle real quick just to get it heated up, and then we're gonna throw it on the burger. All right, folks, go ahead and add this bacon on now that I got it all heated up. Sorry about my fan there. I was trying to blow up the smoke on my vent on the oven. It gets kind of loud. Sorry, folks. Alright, folks. That looks like plenty enough bacon to me. Alright. I actually got this turned upside down. Let me turn that over. There we go. Alright, folks. This right here is our junkyard burger. I tell you what, folks. If that doesn't look good to y'all, then we probably can't be friends, okay? So let me grab a knife. Let me cut this in half real quick. Alright folks, let's go ahead and cut this in half. Well, there you go, folks. There's a junkyard burger. You want to take a bite?
Yeah.
Alright folks, I'm going to dig right on in, man. What are you doing?
It's hard for me to eat and film at the same time,
Oh
Dopey.
my gosh. Just ruined that burger there, woman.
Well, I'm a woman. We ruin everything.
There you go. Alright, folks. There you go. There you go. Alright, folks. Here we go. Folks, I'm speechless, man. Greg, from Ballistic Barbecue, that is one hell of a burger, brother. Also, Jimmy at OSO BBQ, I hope you enjoyed that burger, brother, because this one is freaking fantastic, man. That is, I know I say this all the time, but that has got to be the best burger I've ever had in my life, man. I don't know if it's that junk sauce or all the peppers on it, man. It just comes together, man, and marries each other, man. It is so wonderful. Folks, listen, I appreciate you watching this today. This is my first collaboration, and I'm pretty excited about it. Yeah, baby. I know, baby. Hold on one second, okay? Sorry, folks. It's hot as hell in my kitchen here. But
almost your birthday.
I'm so happy that I got to do this with Jimmy, man. I appreciate you letting me do this collaboration with you, Jimmy. I'm gonna put a link of Ballistic from Ballistic Barbecue and Jimmy OSO Barbecue in the description. Please go check his video out, man. I appreciate y'all watching today. God bless y'all, man. And y'all have yourself a good day, and always keep it simple, baby. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Look, is your birthday soon?
Watch my